Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Cooking Corner. Today I want to share with you how I make my Jamaican style fried chicken. First we clean our chicken thoroughly and then we apply a generous amount of mustard. The mustard acts as a binder that helps the rest of the seasoning to stick nicely to the chicken. Then we add some black pepper, paprika, all-purpose seasoned cayenne pepper, onion powder, chicken bouillon, and crushed pimento berries. Once all the seasonings are added, we then massage everything into the chicken, making sure the seasoning coats every side and every surface. We want our chicken to be well seasoned all the way through. Now let's prepare our dredge. We start by adding 2 cups of flour to a pan, then we add some baking powder along with the same seasoning we use to season our chicken. Give this a mix until everything is evenly distributed throughout the flour. Next, we'll need some water for the coating process. We take each piece of seasoned chicken and coat it thoroughly in flour mixture. Then we dip it into water and place it back into the seasoned flour. We then gently shake off any excess flour and place chicken on the rack. Repeat this process with each piece of chicken, flour, water, then back into the seasoned flour until every piece is properly coated and ready for frying. Now we have a deep pot filled with oil and we're going to heat the oil to approximately 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the oil is hot, we carefully place each piece of chicken into the fryer. We're going to fry the chicken for about 5 minutes on each side for a total of 10 minutes approximately. After 10 minutes, our chicken should be fully cooked, soft and juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside and beautifully golden brown. Now it's time to serve. And we're serving this delicious fried chicken with some cabbage salad, cucumber salad, and rice and peas. And of course, we can't forget the sauce. Our chicken sauce is made with some ginger, onion, ketchup, pimento berries, a little bit of sugar, water, cornstarch. You thicken it into a delicious gravy. And let me tell you, this was absolutely a winner.